In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and integrate Microsoft Bookings with your Outlook calendar, ensuring a seamless scheduling experience. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make your appointment management more effective. To begin, you'll want to sign in to your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're logged in, navigate to Microsoft Bookings. This platform serves as a powerful tool for managing appointments, and integrating it with Outlook allows for an efficient way to keep tabs on all your scheduled events. Now, once you're in Microsoft Bookings, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Here, you want to locate and click on the Staff section. This area is where all the magic happens, as it contains all your team members' scheduling options and settings. The next step is to select a staff member whose calendar you'd like to sync with Bookings. This part is crucial because it ensures that the availability shown in Bookings matches what's in the staff member's Outlook calendar. Scroll through your list of available team members and click on the desired name. After choosing the staff member, it's time to adjust the availability settings. In this context, you'll find an option under Availability that reads, Events on Personal Calendar Affect Availability. By turning this on, you are essentially allowing Microsoft Bookings to recognize and incorporate the staff member's personal Outlook calendar when determining their availability for appointments. This ensures that there are no conflicts between personal and professional obligations. Once you've enabled this, don't forget to hit Save to apply the changes properly. The next thing you need to do is open Outlook. You can do this by launching the Outlook application on your computer, or by navigating to Outlook on the web, whatever you find more convenient. To better integrate Microsoft Bookings into your Outlook interface, you'll need to add it to the left rail for quick and easy access. Start by clicking on the Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots, located in the left-hand navigation pane. This is where you can access and manage different Microsoft apps. Type Microsoft Bookings in the search bar, and once it appears, click Add to integrate it seamlessly into your Outlook interface. If you find yourself using Bookings often, it might be helpful to pin the app to the left rail. This way, it's always readily available at the click of a button. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Microsoft Bookings with Outlook, allowing for a cohesive scheduling and management experience. By following these steps, you ensure that both your personal and professional calendars are in harmony, minimizing any potential scheduling conflicts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps make your scheduling process smooth and hassle-free.